astronaut spent 12 months in space. That's what happened to him. Scott Kelly is an American astronaut who spent an unprecedented 12 months in space aboard the International Space Station, ISS, from March 2015 to March 2016. The purpose of his mission, known as the one-year mission, was to study the effects of long-term spaceflight on the human body. The one-year mission was a joint project between NASA and the Russian Federal Space Agency, with Kelly and Russian cosmonaut Mikhail Kornienko spending a year in space to gather data on the physiological and psychological effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. During his mission, Kelly participated in a variety of experiments to study the effects of spaceflight on the human body. These included studies of his physical and mental health, vision changes, microbiome, and cognitive function. Kelly also conducted spacewalks and performed maintenance on the ISS. After returning to Earth, Kelly underwent a series of medical evaluations to assess the long-term effects of spaceflight. Some of the findings included changes in his DNA, vision impairment, and loss of bone density. However, most of the changes reversed themselves after his return to Earth. The study of Kelly's health and well-being during his mission has provided invaluable data for NASA and the scientific community on the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. It has also highlighted the importance of preparing astronauts for the physical and psychological challenges of long-duration spaceflight, particularly as NASA plans for future missions to Mars and beyond. One of the most significant findings of the one-year mission was the impact of spaceflight on Kelly's DNA. Researchers found that some of his genes had been turned on and off while in space, and that the activity of some of his immune cells had increased. While the long-term implications of these changes are not yet fully understood, they represent a significant step forward in our understanding of the effects of spaceflight on the human body. Kelly's mission also demonstrated the importance of maintaining physical fitness and mental well-being during long-duration spaceflight. To combat the loss of bone density and muscle mass that occurs in microgravity, Kelly followed a rigorous exercise routine and consumed a nutrient-rich diet. In addition to the physical challenges of long-duration spaceflight, Kelly also faced psychological challenges. Overall, Scott Kelly's one-year mission was a significant milestone in the study of long-duration spaceflight. It provided valuable data on the effects of spaceflight on the human body and highlighted the importance of preparing astronauts for the physical and psychological challenges of long-duration spaceflight.